Today I am showing you a legal 2-unit property here, and it actually has the drawings for a garden suite in the back that have been completed already. So it's just a matter of submitting to the city for approval to get the permit, and then the construction can start. So it's 23 Cherry Blossom within Courtice, which is an area within the Clarington municipality within the Durham region. So it's an area that has a lot of growth. 407 has already kind of extended, well, on the north side, but you have GO Train, which is also working through, it's going to go right through Courtice to connect to Bowmanville. So there's tons of growth potential, and with the garden suite addition in the back, it makes this property super unique. I'm very excited to show this to you. My name is Brad Gates. I'm a local realtor here in the Durham region, and I just love showing kind of what the homes are like, what the area is like, pros, cons, all that kind of stuff. So if that's something that could help you, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out anytime. I absolutely love when people reach out. I've helped so many people looking to move here, and I think it's amazing. So if you want that help, all you have to do, call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest. And let's just get into the tour right now. I'll turn the camera around and we'll get started. So this is the front of the actual property. You have a double car garage, and then you have room for parking 4, possibly 6 cars, depending on the size of them. The listing agent is Jessica Mintanami. She's allowed me to kind of do this tour to put it out into the world of YouTube and just give it that exposure to all of my subscribers, just because it is a property that has like a ton of potential. So this is kind of the street. It's right across from a park. So again, that's got tons of potential with that as well, because it could cater to families. You have that place right across the street. And it's a little bit of a quieter street. Since I've been recording this video, no cars have passed or anything like that. So again, that's kind of really cool. So based here, you would have the unit to the back. You could enter that way. And then if you actually do add that garden suite, you could potentially have it where they could enter from there, and you would have a completely kind of fenced off separate area. So just again, that's just different ideas. So let's just kind of get in. It's a very large lot. It has all this interlock, little area there as well. And so we are in the upper unit, and I'm super excited to kind of show you this unit. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it's been renovated. The kitchen is really nice as well. Super bright. When I was walking through, I forgot to turn some of the lights on, because with just the sun coming through the big windows, you don't even really notice that the lights weren't on. So when you're looking for a place that's kind of something that people typically like, unless you are a vampire, then you might like darkness, but or you work night shift. But yeah, so it's a bright unit, and it's been renovated. The basement apartment has like a sound separation and a fire separation. So it was done with permits and everything like that to make sure that it was done properly. And the sound separation is something that's extremely important if you are looking at living up here. You don't necessarily want to hear people downstairs, and then vice versa. If you're downstairs, you don't want to hear people up here. So to have that sound separation is really good, and it's typically not something that people typically spend money on doing, because it is kind of expensive. So let me turn the camera around, and I'll give you a tour of this amazing 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, and we're going to get into it right now. So we are looking at the entrance. So you come in from this door right here, and this is where the old stairs would be. So that's been completely sealed so that both units are completely separate. And then you have the stairs going up. So we will go up. That's the, start over there just so you can get an idea of what you see when you walk in. That's bathroom. This is closet. That's kitchen. And then you have the living area where you'll put your couch, TV, big windows, nice pot lights. So it's super bright. With all these windows and stuff, you don't even notice if lights aren't on. So that's kind of good. People, when they're looking at places, they like brightness. So this is the dining room. And so it's open to the kitchen, but then you're also open to the living room as well. A big bay window. And so this is the kitchen. So we're in the kitchen. My head's probably getting cut off from these lights, but yeah, we're in the kitchen. And so you have the granite or the quartz countertop. You do have a built-in kind of oven here, and then there's room to put a microwave kind of right above. You do have the lighting at the top of the cabinets. You do have like the built-in fan that gets vented outside as well. So it's kind of really good on that sense, because when you're cooking, you want the smells to be taken outside. You don't necessarily want them stuck in here. And then you have a fridge and a dishwasher, tons of space. Let's get back into the tour. And then we will kind of continue on. You have your laundry room. And this is your two-piece bathroom. So just a toilet and a sink. This is the door to the back deck. So the deck is not here. So that would be something that would have to be built. And then just from a different angle, that's where the garden suite is drawn to go. Again, big windows. And this gives you an idea of all of the cupboards. You do have a lot. And then you have the lighting up at the top, which is a nice little touch. Yeah, so it's just kind of cupboards that keep going. That's that space for the microwave right above the stove. Front door. It's the closet. Okay. And then, so here's your first full bathroom. So you have your sink and mirror, and then you have, this is a two-piece, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's kind of been done. The floors, the vanities. So yeah, it's just been nice. So this is bedroom number 1. You could fit a double bed into there. This is bedroom number 2. Big windows. You do have your closet there as well. Again, those were taken out. It makes the rooms look bigger when people take the closet doors down. So you have your 8-foot ceilings, and then you could fit a queen size bed in here easily. And then this is the primary bedroom. This is where you can fit your king size and have tons of room for other stuff. So that would be kind of where you hang the clothes and everything. If you wanted to add closet doors back, you could, or you can just kind of leave it how it is. It's the windows. Windows appear to be in decent shape. I'm not seeing any fogginess in any of them that we've gone so far. Overlooks the backyard. Again, garden suite would go in this kind of area. So it would be 19 feet out this way, and then from almost 1.5 meters from that back fence, it would go to about there. So it would be a fairly large type of unit. And so this is the 3-piece. So you have toilet, sink, and then you have your stand-up shower. If you buy a new home from a builder, they charge you like $500 or $700 just for that piece there. And then you're looking at $1,000 to have a seat. We've never done it in ours, but it's a nice little touch. You have extra shelves, or if you want to take a seat while you're showering, you can do that as well. And then you have just a little cubby here to put stuff. So you do have a fan up there as well with pot lights. And so that's kind of the tour of this unit. And then kind of the walk out. So let's go out and we will check on the lower unit. Yeah, so we will, this is the back area for the garden suite. So it would be this area kind of here. It's a nice little, well, nice big backyard. They definitely don't make backyards like this anymore. So this is where the actual drawings for the garden suite would be. So it goes 26 feet, goes out by 1.5 meters, and then 26 feet down to almost pretty much where the rock separation is there. And then it comes out, again, you're about 1.5 meters from this fence, and then it comes out 19 feet. And this would be a 3-bedroom type unit with full living room, kitchen, bathroom, everything like that, completely separate. So by adding this, you do have actual 3 units in here, and there's 3 3-bedrooms. So that is absolutely insane. Great potential on the rental side of things. So the drawings have been done, and pretty much all that has to be done is they get submitted to the city for the permit to get approved, and then it can start kind of being done right now. So great potential. Again, 26 feet from that out and then 19 feet out, and it has like a little like step to get in and out of the units. So tons of potential, and you can even maybe separate it a little bit so that the entrance to this could be on that side, so that each of the 3 units kind of have their own separate living area, where this could be for this unit, and then towards the closer to the house here could be for the basement unit, and then the upper would get the front yard. So again, 3 units, all 3 bedroom, and they would each have their own kind of outdoor living space. So you can see the roof is, it's hard to see from the video, but the roof shingles have been done. The windows are all in good condition as well. And then you have your the air conditioner, which doesn't look old there either. So yeah, let's just go into this. Separate entrance was done, poured concrete, and then underneath that mat here, there is a drain, and that makes it very important. So if water pools here, it goes down and it doesn't pool here and create like a little ice rink or anything like that. So let's get into the unit. So we are now entering the basement unit. It has its full kitchen, full bathroom, laundry room, 3 bedrooms. Each of the bedrooms have closets. So let's check it out. It was all done legally with permits. And yeah, so let's just go check it out. So you walk in, and this is the living room open to the kitchen. So as you'll see, it's got your full kitchen, microwave, and then your little sitting area for your TV. And then you have that door there, and that's where it's actually separated in for the bedrooms. And that makes it kind of convenient. If you have kids, they can be back here, and it's kind of separate door so that it could be quiet. And one of the main things with the construction of down here is it was done with sound separation, and also it's fire rated. So anytime you're doing things with permits through the city, they want to make sure that there has a certain amount of fire separation. So if there was a fire in one unit, it gives enough time for it to get to the other unit where people have time to get out. And so that's very important when you're looking at homes that have basements. And that's why it's very important to go the legal route whenever possible. So you come here and you have bathroom. It's a full 4-piece. Toilet, and then you have your full shower. And yeah, so when you have a tub and an overhead shower, that's 2 pieces. Toilet, and then sink 3, 4. And so this is the bedroom number 1. You have a closet there. And so this is where the laundry room is, and then the furnace, hot water tank, and new panel here as well. So you can just tell by the size of it. And then what it says right here is it's a 200 amp panel, so you have lots of room. So yeah, it's good to know. All the HVAC is looking in good condition, and
this gas solenoid costs about $2,000 and is code in the municipality of Clarington for all 2-unit properties, that if it detects a fire, it actually separates the HVAC to prevent the fire from spreading.
So yeah, this is bedroom 1, and then this here is blocked off. I'm not entirely sure what's in here. It looks like it would be to the garage, considering there is a garage door opener there, but it is kind of locked, so there's no access. And then you have a little closet here. So this would have actually been the old entrance into the basement. So the front door would actually be up there to the upper unit. So it's been closed off so that both units are completely separate. And this is the second bedroom. So you got the bunk beds, big windows on it. The ceilings are 8 feet. So again, helps you avoid feeling like you're in a basement. And then full closet. Again, nice big windows. And then that's kind of just the bedroom here. And then this would be the primary bedroom. So it's queen size bed, computer station set up there, big windows kind of overlooking the front. And then you have closet here. So this is the lower unit. Well, that was the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. It's nice to see units like this where it's unique, and that's kind of what I like about it. It's because it's different, and especially with that garden suite potential in the backyard there, it just makes the possibilities endless. So this is in the lower unit here. We saw the upper, and then I showed you kind of where the garden suite would be. If you are looking at investing in the Durham region, or you're looking to move here, whatever it is, and you want help, all you have to do is call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm here to make everything go so much easier. I've had people reach out from all over the world, and I absolutely love it. Check out the other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time.